We do have marsh hawks around. The harrier hawk is what they really are. We call them marsh hawks, but it's the northern harrier. We do have those, but you don't have a lot of these. You may see them here today in the park. Rusty red-tail, no, not a private man. Also a rather large bird. As a species, the red-tailed hawk is larger as a species than the bay-wing hawk, which I'm holding. So if that bird is normally larger than this bird, we slowly catch the larger game. What a larger bird, right? What that happens to do is live in the same area. This bird over here can handle jackrabbits to a touch of an ease. The harrier hawk, maybe can handle jackrabbit, maybe not. It'll think twice going for a jackrabbit. But they both of them eat mainly small mammals, maybe small birds if they can find them. Now, to be a predator, to be a bird of prey, you have to have some very specific things. For a duck, it's going to see you, but it doesn't have that depth perception. And so, you see that brow that the hawks have? Makes it look kind of tough, right? It does a couple of things. It protects their eyes from going through the brush, and it also is a sunshade. What do we do when we look at the sun? Hey, I can see a whole lot better now. So that shade helps them see in the sun also. But finally, the most defining feature of bird of prey are their feet. Very specialized feet, and they're called talons. And the birds that Ian and I are holding are so powerful they can go through the double leather gloves that we can have on. So look, Ian's holding that bird's holding Ian's finger with his talons. But the point is, these birds are not trying to hurt us. Because they're not dangerous birds, they're not evil birds. You know, no animal is good or bad. Some animals do things we don't like for them to do, but they have no concept of good or evil. They're animals and they do what they do. And these are hunters, these are predators. Let's let the red-tailed hawk go in at this time. Most of these birds are senior citizens, just like me. They've been around for a long time. They have very broad wings. Oh, you gotta be sure to keep your hands down, okay? Don't raise your hands. It's perfect right now, because they might try to land on them. If they land on them, we're going to send them up with long talons. There we go. All right. Yeah, give them a round of applause. Okay, here we go. You got to be real still. Okay, we've got a tall man in front of us. I'm going to decide to land first, okay? There we go. Up. There we go. All right. Did you get the shot? Okay, let's get back to Ian. We don't send the bird home now. In the middle of the night, without ever seeing their prey. This is a barred owl, like strike, like the barred says. Now you notice immediately that these are an owl by looking at the face, right? So you can tell immediately that this is an owl. And that face serves a very useful purpose. Frogs, and also eat small mammals. He certainly can't handle a jackrabbit. He probably can't even handle a cottontail rabbit. Thank you. Hard to tell the difference between the red and the black when they're flying around, but you can tell by what's on there, the color of their wings. Black Vulture has a little white stripe on the end of his wings. Look at his wings when he flies. Huge wings. This flight here wasn't even enough to really get him started on it. We get a little longer flight here. Come on, now, Ian and I have food in our hand, and you see how he's eating. He sticks that long beak in there, and he pulls out the food. This is the way you eat on a dead animal. You may not want to fly back now. The wind picked up just a tad. It doesn't take much wind. He doesn't like to fly with the wind at his back. But we'll give him a shot here and see if he can make it. Yeah, well, okay, yeah, too much wind. She gets in there crested because you see the feathers on top of her head. That's her crest. They're actually on hackles. Guys that are old enough, out here, you probably heard the term, don't get your hackles up. It means, don't get upset about it, no big deal. Fox head, you also see white stripes on it. So we can't get her to fly just a little bit. Crested on her if we're going to fly her. She might have decided through the countryside here. And with this transmitter, then we'll be able to locate her if she decides to go on a little jump. I talk about the vulture being an intelligent bird. These birds are extremely intelligent also. In fact, maybe the most intelligent bird that we have here today. Hand it back to you, Ian. I'll let you Sissy's gonna have claws on, I don't understand. Young kids these days, they just not something all, You bring it? There we go, we got one. We got two, we can just set it right here. Set it right there, thank you. I'm going to show you how smart these birds are. If anybody here has got a dollar bill, I'd like to help us to show you how smart these birds are. Your parents here, I got to have parents' approval before I'll let somebody who's not an adult. I want you to do it for me. Huh? We got. Okay. Listen to Ian. He's going to give you instructions to roll it up. Because these birds will use sticks to take it, stick in a hole, maybe get ants to come out, or even get rats or something to come out of a hole. So they can be seen carrying a stick around, so we're going to pretend that this is a stick. Yeah, I got to make it kind of stiff like a stick. She knows how to squeeze a buck, doesn't she? All right, she takes it, the jerk here, takes it. It's not a stick, what is it? It says donations for the birds. I mean, how much smarter do you have to be than that? Feathers on the side of her face. You notice this orange? It's also like one of these old mood rings that we used to have back in the 70s or something. That's the flying birds in the world. The bird of falcon is the fastest bird in the world. They hunt primarily other birds. When they do that, they use a little different method. I know you don't want that. Different method of hunting than the fox do. They can catch it in the air, or they can take it with the talons and knock it off. And He catches an animal, it's not going to just turn up and say, okay, you caught me, eat me. It's going to bite, scratch, try to get a bite. It's also smart to train her. Attention. Take a look at the talons on this bird. They're the size of bear claws. Terrific hunter, wonderful bird. He's going to find, everybody out.
In terms of age, not came into a center in Wisconsin earlier this year, and just like the bald eagle has the white head, this bird gets the color from that golden color on its head. It doesn't get that until it's 5 years old. So we know it's 5, but beyond that, we don't know how old. It's a golden eagle.
Is
see
he
that golden color on its head? That's where it gets its name from, is that gold color.
Is he comparable to a bald eagle in size?
Bald eagles typically are a little bit smaller, although the biggest eagle I've ever worked with is a bald eagle. So they're about the same.
And where are they the most populated?
You'll find them in Texas, more in the west Texas area. In the desert. They go up the Zip Mountains and the plains area. They're not as far over here. You see more bald eagles around, not really around in San Antonio, but in this side of Texas. Do not keep any bird that has a chance to be put back in the wild. By open eye wing, look on his right side. You'll see it looks a little different from the left. He's missing the end of his right wing. And so that was the injury that he went into a center in Wisconsin, and they transferred to us for use in education. And so that's the reason why he can't be put in. He will never have a full wing, because there's several, see the long pointed feathers at the end? Those are all on that tip, and those feathers he's missing are because he's missing that end of the wing.
We did see a big feather kind of like that over there by the back.
Probably was a black vulture. Black vultures have very large feathers to their size because they're gliders. You see them soaring in the air without moving their
It's
wings.
a little black.
The other little bird that was upset.
The Cara?
Oh yeah, there was a hawk.
So I didn't really go to.
Because you were volunteering, I think, already, and it may have been at a meeting that I met you then.
Possibly.
I just remember him introducing you because you were his youngest volunteer, and you were very impressive back then. So I'm very glad to hear. I'm very glad to hear. My mind is gone, so maybe you weren't as blunt as I thought in my memory, but I just remember being very impressed with you way back then, and you had a good head on your shoulders, so I'm glad to know you're in the profession now. So, are you going to stay around San Antonio?
Yep, I'm planning on continuing working on the project.
Okay, awesome. Congratulations on your success.
Thank you.
Look at those taillights. Gosh.